Hey everyone, welcome to the best US Mint news channel on YouTube. I'm Son of a Silver Stacker. Today's date is the 17th of June, 2025, and in this video, I have some tremendous news to share with you regarding the Morgan and Peace dollars for 2025. And I gotta tell you, the United States Mint has right-sized the Morgan and Peace dollar program. You wouldn't believe the mintages for these uncircs that are coming out July 10th. Now listen, before any of that, if you're new here, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to reach a bazillion subs. It's a really big number. Look it up. I'll wait. Go ahead. Hit pause. All right, now that you're back, we're always live, never edited, and always unscripted. I never know what I'm not going to say. Now, over here to moneymetals.com. Look at this. Yeah, everything's pretty much mixed bag this morning. It's really interesting. Not sure why. Anyway, gold down 205 to 33.95.95. Silver up 17 cents to 36.67. Platinum up 11.70 to 12.71.40. Palladium down 7.95 to 10.46.35, and Dr. Copper down a penny over there at 4.82. If there's an other here, you can click other, and it goes to Bitcoin, Dow Jones, Nasdaq. Crude oil is at 72.76, and the dollar is up 7 cents to 98.20. Down here, you're looking at in stock American Silver Eagle, whose premium is $6.69 for the quantity 1 through 39. They got you paying $43.36. The buyback, that's the sell to them price, is $37.79. That's definitely above the spot price of $36.67. Now, we did back it up. Now, this is how I found it. I was like, oh yeah, when's the fun show start? Well, fun show starts. It's the countdown to the next fun convention. 23 days, 4 hours, 31 minutes, and 13 seconds. Welcome to the home page for the 19th Summer Fun Convention, and I will be there with bells on. Now, it says here, what can you expect at the Summer Fun 2025? Well, I don't know. Let's find out. Well, for starters, the U.S. Mint will be in attendance, and they have announced that they will be releasing the 2025 Uncirculated Morgan and Peace dollars. What? Yeah, and who knows, maybe the current Mint director will be there. So let's bounce over here to the United States Mint website. That's right, July 10th, coming soon. And oh boy, how much have you paid for that one if it's on the secondary market, right? So July 10th, we have the Morgan and Peace silver dollars. They are the uncirculated versions. And let's go ahead and check out the situation. Look at that, folks. Come on. Mintage limit 150,000, product limit 150,000. Yeah, if that looks really low to you, it is. Yeah. Household order limit of 10, though. I think that's kind of going to have to change if it's going to be that low, because the United States Mint just sparked something amazing here. Oh, look at this. Silver dollar uncirculated coin high res image. That's fantastic. Yeah, there it is. 2025 Morgan silver dollar, 150,000 is the product limit. And it's going to be the same as well for the Peace dollar. Look at that. The United States Mint right-sized the sales for the Morgan and Peace dollar, and I'll show you that right here. So this is coinnews.net. U.S. Mint sales Dr. Vera Rubin quarter starts at 1.5 million. Uncirculated gold Eagle at 1,318. That's by Mike Unser, dated June 12, 2025, and I will leave a link in the description for this information that you see here in front of you. But let's go to the Morgan and Peace dollar mintages here from these folks over here that they've compiled for us. Thank you very much. So that's commemorative. There we go. Hello, how are you? Morgan and Peace silver dollars. We're going to be looking at the uncirculated Peace dollar right there. Yeah, they sold 150,000 so far. Yep, look, 150,000 seems about right. That's about right sizing. And here we have the uncirculated Morgan dollar at 164,000. Now, what's interesting is, well, those bulk folks, right? 309 of those times 40. You're looking at about, what, 12,000 and change? Yeah, it's incredible. It's incredible what the Mint has done to this particular program. They brought it back to life. That's right. It came back to life. I think this is important. And I really think they ought to drop that household order limit of 10 immediately, only because they have probably, look, there's no guarantee that this is going to be a hit and sell out in the first day. But I can tell you this, the United States Mint, you know what, here, hang on a second. This is the uncirculated coin from 2024, right? Look at that. 275,000 of those bad boys were struck, or at least thereabouts, right? 275 of the Peace dollar. Well, look, do the math, folks. Look at that. 275 to 150. That's almost a half of it. I mean, the whole mintage has dropped. They dropped it by 125,000, folks. This is going to be a gonzo probably this year or early next year in 2026. And could you imagine a dual date Morgan and Peace dollar for 2026? If you didn't just get chicken skin right now, you might want to check your pulse, because this is tremendous, folks. Can't even believe I'm even reading this here this morning. 150,000 for the Morgan Peace dollar for 2025. Come on now. That's incredible. I'm not even going to think about it anymore. I'm going to bounce over to the plus ones because I'm just so... Wait, Wait a minute. Okay, now you're probably wondering, well, Stacker, wait, how does this compare to 2021? Well, I'm glad you asked. Check this out. We'll go to one of my older videos from about 4 or 5 years ago. Yep, 4 years ago. Yeah, Morgan 2021 silver dollar with the CC Privy Mark had 175,000 folks. What, you ask? Yeah, 175,000. Well, I'd say that's 25,000 more than what we're seeing for the Uncircs. And remember, yeah, those sold out rather quickly, I would say. Yeah, very quickly. Very, very quickly. And the household order limit on that one was 25. They did lower that, I think, to 10, and then eventually to 3. But the folks that got the CC Privy Mark with the 10 household order limit, well, they probably did rather well for themselves. But really, the ones I think that did well are the ones that got that in a mint state 70 for that Denver strike. Wouldn't that be something if the United States Mint made a Denver struck Morgan and Peace dollar for 2026? Just change it up a little, please. That's all. Now let's go to the plus ones. I've yammered for a little bit too long here this morning. This is Psalm 120, number 7. And I don't like the way that's balanced. I like more balance and harmony there. There we go. I guess that's not going to work. All right. So this is Psalm 120, number 7. I don't know how to work that out. I am peace, but when I speak, they are for war. They shout for war because they view the Lord's appeal for peace as a sign of weakness and vulnerability. That's probably a mistake. Now, let's go here to 395 99.9 KOIN Coin News Radio. Yeah, this is the cult with Peace Dog. Beg for peace, dog. Now, with that said, I want to thank you all for coming. Thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to hit the like button. And if you do like what you hear and see, sub the channel. It's absolutely free. Now, tell me what you think about the mintages. Are you back in, or were you never out? Or are you going to be new to this? And I honestly, no one can really guarantee what the value of these coins are going to be struck at this mintage. But I can tell you this, lots of people are clamoring for lower mintages, no doubt about it. And the mint is listening, folks. Now, are they listening to their wallet, or are they listening to us, or is a little bit of both? I would say it's both, folks. They really want to make us happy because they want to move product. And if they're not moving product, they're not making money. And they're in the business to make money, literally and figuratively, I would think. Now, with that said, I want to thank you all for coming. Thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you do like what you're going to see, sub the channel. It's free. Stacker out.